Short story about him, briefly, little character, and he's like, yeah, man, I'd like that, man. He goes, you should write more about me, man. You should write more about me, you know. And I didn't tell him that I already had. I've written a couple like poems and stories about him, but I just figured that, you know, he would, I'd show them to him when they were done, and you know, obviously never got that chance. But this is one of them. I wrote like 3-4 months ago. I had to change the ending 3-4 days ago. It's called "You Fly, I'll Buy." So you fly, I'll buy. It's the street slang for a liquor store run. One guy provides the cash, while the other guy bikes to the store to get the booze. You fly, I'll buy. It was me and Neil's occasional Sunday afternoon routine. One time Neil flew to Star Liquor he wrote off with return promises of some high quality IPAs. Instead, he flew back with 2 tall boys of Hurricane. The high gravity bums drink. You fly, I'll buy. I flew to Star Liquor the next week. Inside the Sunday afternoon, Star Liquor soon-to-be drunks lingered about, making their selection carefully, liquoring up on the heavy, hovering, unbearable thought that Monday morning was right around the corner. Meanwhile, me and Neil, we have no Mondays, or Tuesdays through Sundays for that matter. Honestly, I don't even know how we do it, but we do it. You fly, I'll buy. I found the 2 for $5 IPAs. Neil was in for a treat, though he didn't need it. It put him over the edge, and he was already over the edge. I should just give him some Coors Light bullshit. But no, I go for the good stuff. Goddamn, Neil. How I wondered sometimes how he'd make it. Yet I forget, he's already made it. 1,000 times over, he's already made it. We both have. You fly, I'll buy. On September 24th, me and Neil would have our very final, you fly, I'll buy ordeal. Yet neither of us knew it. Neil would be the one who flew this time, never to come back. And 2 weeks later, I would end up buying the brew for all the riffraff Neil Lenart friends and fans that have gathered here today to properly send Neil off to that heavy metal heaven in the sky. You fly, I'll buy. Raise your fucking drinks and let's give a kick-ass salute to the Santa Monica legend, Neil Lenart. The fucking Neil.
Hey, Neil.
All right.
I've seen that on there. Shit ain't real, but you can.
Thanks a lot, man.